Dunia Altameemi. I will be your PhD student today. Can you please verify your name and date of birth?
Sarah Al-Saweedi, December 11, 99.
Can I call you Sarah?
Yes.
Thank you so much. So, can I get your consent to do any examination on you today?
Yes.
Okay, Sarah. So today we're going to do the mini mental state exam. So before going into the exam, first I will assess your general appearance. So you look alert and oriented. You don't look in any distress. So as I said, we're gonna do a mini mental exam, state exam. So basically, this exam is to check for any cognitive impairment, any problem with thinking, communication, understanding, or memory. So I will ask you a few questions, and I want you to answer as the best as you can. So first of all, what is the year?
2023.
Okay. So what's the season we are in?
Spring.
Okay. What is the date of today?
May 30, 2023.
And what is the day?
It's Wednesday.
Okay. And what is the month?
May.
All right. So which state are we in?
Texas.
Okay. And what's the country?
U.S.
And the town?
Richardson.
What's the place or the building are we in?
West Coast University.
And which floor?
3rd floor.
All right. So I will name 3 objects. I want you to repeat them after me, and I want you to try to remember them because I will come back to them and ask you again. So apple, shoes, school.
Apples, shoes, school.
Okay. All right, and can you spell the word world backward?
DLROW.
Okay, perfect. And can you recall the 3 objects I told you earlier?
Apple, shoes, school.
Okay. And so what is this?
Pen.
What is this?
Bracelet.
And what is this?
A watch.
Okay. So I'm gonna do a 3-stage command. So I will have you take this paper. I want you to take it, fold it, and place it on the floor. Okay, thank you. And I want you to repeat the following sentence: no ifs, ands, or buts.
No ifs, ands, or buts.
Perfect. And I will write a sentence on the back of my paper. I don't want you to read it. I just want you to say to do what it says and what it's asking you to do. Okay, perfect. Thank you. And I want you on this side of the paper, write a sentence. Alright, so you wrote I like those. So for next step, I want you to copy the design you see in here as best as you can. Okay, that's good. So this exam is the score, the total score is 30, and you did very well. You scored 30 as well. So at this time we don't have to repeat or do anything. So this means you are very alert. There's no any cognitive, any dementia, any as I said, any cognitive impairment. There is no problem with thinking, communication. You communicated very well, and you understood all of these steps and all the sentences, all the commands I told you, and your memory is good. You were able to remember the 3 words I gave you earlier. So that's all for now. I will talk to my preceptor, and we will go from there. Do you have any further questions to me?
Do I need to do this again?
At this time, you don't need to do it again. So use cards very well. So as I said, there's no any signs, any concerns at this time. But I also will talk to my preceptors to make sure if you need maybe in the future to repeat, maybe you may know maybe it's gonna change or anything. So that's the preceptor gonna decide if we need to repeat that in the future.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Is that by